Hello. What is Simplebim? It is a software that has been developed since 2009 by Finnish engineers Jiri Hietanen and Sakari Lehtinen, who have been a part of the working group behind the IFC file format. This software focuses on BIM model data, and I will now show you how it differs from others. Its functionality is quite unique, and it is used by everyone who needs to extract specific information from a model. For example, cost estimators and CO2 calculators who need construction quantities, as well as designers, project managers, site managers, and other project collaborators. It is also a highly valued tool among BIM coordinators. Why do they use Simplebim for this? In other model viewers, if you click on a wall, you see the information of that single wall. But the property window in Simplebim is unique. If you select 76 walls, this window will show you the combined data of all those walls. For example, within 76 walls, there may be 7 different names. If needed, you can color them by name, giving you a quick overview. Or you can color them by type. Maybe you want to separate the walls instead. Right away, you have a clear visual of which wall is which color. If you want a very quick overview of quantities, you can also choose a parameter to be summed up. For example, area. Now you can see which type of wall has the largest area. If quantity information is missing from the model, Simplebim helps. By selecting the relevant command from Dataflow, the software instantly calculates its own quantities and adds them to the model. These can be used directly or compared against the designer's provided values. Can it work with Excel? Yes, of course. By dragging the walls into a table, you can sort them by name or designation and also sum up areas. If you want to sort by floors instead, you can do that too. If you need certain elements to be renamed, you can overwrite the rows in the property window for the selected elements and adjust them to suit your needs. The change will immediately be reflected in the table. Otherwise, you may face situations where the model cannot even be used. In our years of working with models, we have all faced situations where the vision of designers and users does not align. With Simplebim, you can resolve this in minutes. Naturally, the tables can also be exported to Excel. A pivot-like table with actual Excel formulas is generated. For those with much more specific workflow automation needs, Dataflow is there to help. In this example, we generate finishing surface layers for rooms. Once you run it, the system calculates for a moment, and then the finishing surfaces are created into a separately defined group. By isolating the elements, you can see that the surface quantities for finishes have been calculated. If you want to see how these are distributed by room, that can be done instantly. Simplebim is an extremely powerful tool, and its range of use depends largely on your goals and creativity. If you would like to explore what Simplebim can do for your project, get in touch with Tarcon. We'll arrange a free demo and trial for you and support you every step of the way with training and implementation.